time.
I know what they're after. Come on.
Wait! We need to get to the center and fast.
Okay.
This way.
This way.
No, wait.
We don't have time.
Wait. Louis, there.
Go!
What are you doing?
Hurry!
Max, keep up. Louis! No!
Not exactly crushing this whole hero thing, huh?
Leave me alone.
Well, you did ruin the Hatters' lives, got your mom captured. Nearly fed your bestie to a bloodthirsty flower. Unlike them, I'm not in your head.
Leave me alone.
That's my sister in there and she needs me.
Pink! Pink, I need you!
Oh, thanks.
Come on, Maddox, just let us out.
Please.
Think about your son.
Red?
Please tell me you still have some of those cookies left from the picnic.
Sure do.
The pocket watch is nearly mine.
Finally.
Hey guys. Miss us?
Time's up, Queen. I'm so proud of you, Max.
Red, you okay? Go, Pink! Get the others!
This is your midnight, Maddox. Time to go.
Maddox.
We'll see who gets the last laugh.